Hey guys, Cameron here with Smart Adult Piano with a quick lesson on how to easily make major and minor chords so you can look at a chord chart and start playing right away. Really trying to get this channel going, so it would really help me out if you would like and subscribe and maybe even leave a comment what you think or stuff you'd like to see in the future. So I would really appreciate that. Okay. So what we're going to learn today is the 4-3 rule for making major and minor chords. So to make any major chord, you start on a note, a key note. We call it the root. In this case, we'll start with C. Okay, that's our root note, and we hold that down. Then we count up 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our second note. We call that the third. So we hold that down. Then we count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we land on this note. And then we hold down those 3 notes simultaneously. And voila! Major chord. Now that formula will work on any note you start on. Let's start on a black note. In this case, let's start with A flat. Okay, so that's our key note or our root. From there we count 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land on C. And that is our second note. We call it the third. Then from there we count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, and that is our third note of our chord, or sometimes called a triad because it's made of 3 notes. Okay, and that works anywhere on the keyboard. The 4-3 rule, easy peasy. Okay, now the variant of that, if you want to make a minor chord, is you just flip the 2 over, and it's the 3-4 rule for a minor chord. So let's look at C again. We start at C, and now we're going to count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, and we land here on E flat, right? Okay, and then from there now we're going to count 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gives us our third note, and we have a minor triad. Okay, so, and again you can start on any black note. This time let's start on F sharp. Okay, so there's our key note, root note, and from there we count 1, 2, 3, 3 half steps, and that gives us our second note, or the third of the chord. Okay, hold those down. Now we're going to count 4 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and voila, minor chord. And again, that works on any key that you want. So go ahead and get started. You know, with these simple chords, you can start playing all kinds of songs real easy, like the Beatles. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me do. That's just one simple application of how you can start using this right away. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't be afraid to try it. Thanks. Bye-bye.